Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the secrets of financial success with our special guide, Legacy Leo the Leader. He's here to share 15 daily habits that can completely transform your financial future. Are you ready to build your wealth? Let's get started. First up, start your day with a clear purpose. Before you even check your phone, take 5 minutes to define your top financial goal for the day. Is it saving a certain amount? Researching a stock? This simple act sets a powerful intention. Next, dedicate at least 30 minutes to learning. This isn't about formal schooling. Read a chapter of a finance book, listen to a podcast on investing, or watch a tutorial on a new skill. The wealthiest people are lifelong learners, always expanding their knowledge. Then, review your budget daily. It sounds tedious, but it takes less than 5 minutes. A quick look at your spending keeps you mindful and in control. You'll spot wasteful habits and find new opportunities to save and invest. This is the foundation of financial discipline. Habit number 4 is to automate your savings and investments. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account and investment portfolio right after you get paid. This pay-yourself-first strategy ensures you consistently building wealth without having to think about it. It's the easiest win you'll ever get. Number 5, practice gratitude. This might sound a little out there, but acknowledging what you have shifts your mindset from scarcity to abundance. When you appreciate your current resources, you make smarter, less desperate decisions with your money. 6th, network with purpose. Spend 15 minutes each day connecting with someone new or strengthening an existing relationship in your field. Your network is your net worth. A single conversation can open doors to opportunities you never imagined. Next, plan your meals. This small habit has a huge impact. Not only is it healthier, but it also saves a significant amount of money that would otherwise be spent on last-minute takeouts or expensive lunches. That saved cash can go straight into your investments. Habit 8 is to embrace a side hustle. Dedicate 1 hour each day to a project that generates extra income. Whether it's freelancing, selling products online, or consulting, multiple income streams are your fastest path to financial freedom. Number 9, get moving. Physical exercise isn't just for your body, it's for your brain. A 30-minute workout boosts your energy, sharpens your focus, and reduces stress, helping you make clearer, more rational financial decisions throughout the day. 10th on our list, track your progress. Keep a journal or a spreadsheet to monitor your net worth, investments, and debt reduction. Seeing the numbers move in the right direction is incredibly motivating and keeps you on track toward your long-term goals. Number 11, say no. Financially successful people understand the power of saying no to things that don't align with their goals. That means no to impulse buys, no to social obligations that drain your wallet, and no to opportunities that aren't a good fit. Habit 12 is to practice delayed gratification. Before making a non-essential purchase, wait 24 hours. More often than not, the urge to buy will fade, and you'll have saved money that can be put to better use, like compounding in your investment account. 13. Review your investments, but don't obsess. A quick daily or weekly check-in is fine to stay informed, but avoid emotional, knee-jerk reactions to market fluctuations. Successful investing is a long-term game, not a daily race. 14th, give back. Whether it's time or money, being generous reinforces an abundance mindset. It reminds you that you have enough to share, which can attract even more positivity and opportunity into your life. And finally, number 15, end your day with reflection. Before you sleep, spend a few minutes reviewing your financial wins and lessons from the day. What did you do well? What could you improve? This sets you up for an even more successful tomorrow. There you have it, 15 daily habits for building lasting wealth. It's not about getting rich quick. It's about building disciplined routines that create sustainable success. Start with just 1 or 2 of these habits and build from there. Your wealth building journey starts today. Thanks for watching. If you found this valuable, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear it. Let us know in the comments which habit you're going to start first. See you in the next video.